it's very difficult to combat the whole system because it has a lot of components. So I think we need to work separately on some issues. One of them is fight with platforms, actually to deplatform them, because that's what they want to get. They want to get visibility, they want to get audiences. So if we would effectively deplatform them, not only on social media, but also on satellite channels, cable channels, if we would sanction them, that would also contribute to deplatforming, but also sanction is important from the point of view of definancing, demonetizing it, because monetization is also a big and important issue. So disinformation not only is ruining the political and media system, but it also monetizes on this content on social media platforms. So that's also important to understand. So these are two important tracks to deplatform and to make sure that it does not have finances are very important issues, but also to not recognize them as a media. Of course, disinformation has an objective of influencing people, and it all depends how big the resilience of people is against those influences. So the first step for us, for example, was to raise awareness that disinformation exists. And it was a big issue for long years, so people just didn't pay enough attention to this, and they were confusing it with alternative views or alternative news, if you wish. And our point was, no, it's not alternative news, or it's not the bad editing of the news. It's a systematic, intentional, it's a system. So in order to be effective against it, you need first to realize that this is a problem, and this is a huge problem for journalism, because actually disinformation usurped the space of the real journalism, because we are competing for attention of people. And this attention it's the same amount, so the more disinformation is taken from this, the less space we have for the real journalism. So it took time to raise this awareness, and then to educate basically people about the methods of disinformation, about platforms they are using, about main narratives which they promote. So that's what people actually need to know. We cannot say that we can totally eliminate the impact of disinformation, but at least we can make it less impactful and less visible.